Hey guys, I have something really important to tell you. My friend here is gonna say it.
Look at all those chickens.
Thank you. That is really important to me, that you look at all those chickens. No, seriously, there's something important I wanted to tell you. I know how to say something I've never said before. My friend is gonna say it. Look, my other friend.
Bruh.
Thank you. No, I'm just kidding. The real thing is that I can make the air sing. Look.
A potato flew around my room before you came.
That was amazing. Something else. Someone's shooting out there. I don't know if you can hear it. Listen. Did you guys hear that? I don't want to talk about it. Something else. Sirens are going off out there. Look, listen. Did you hear that? What else? There's a lion in my house. Listen to him. Creepy. What else? I bought a shotgun. My dad's gonna shoot it in 3, 2, 1. That was amazing. Thank you, Dad. Thank you guys for watching this special effects sound video. Thank you. As always, stay cool. Good.